one and only Adam West is coming out in just a minute, but first, it's always a pleasure to bring back one of our favorite acts of all time. We first found him at the Westminster Dog Show, and he's become a huge sensation. Please welcome Triumph, the insult comic Dog. He's an insult comic.
Thank you very much. Oh, yes. Thank you. It's so great to be back on the Conan O'Brien show. You know, folks, this is one of the hottest shows on TV. For me to poop on. No, seriously, folks. You know, I kid Conan a lot. Everybody knows I kid Conan, but I think somebody ought to mention this tonight. Conan got nominated today for an Emmy Award. That's right. That's right.
Me too.
Isn't that great? Yes. I believe the category was Outstanding Variety Program. For me to poop on. All right, let's look at the other nominees, actually. Huh? Here we go. Okay, so it's called Late Night with Conan O'Brien. And then there is Late Night with a Patch of Grass. Of course, Late Night with the New York Times sports section. And ER, everybody. Can you believe it? That thing sweeps, man. It kicks butt. So who you got today, Conan? What do you got around here?
Oh, on the program next, we got Adam West is coming up next, Ryan.
Batman, I can't believe it. Can I see Batman? We all want to see Batman. Where is he? Where?
He's backstage. There he is.
Batman! Hello, Batman! Let me tell you something, Batman. You think you're a big shot. Let me tell you the truth. I always wanted to hump Robin's leg. That's right, man. Deal with it! Good night, everybody! You've been a great crowd!
He is so good! Man, I don't know how he keeps coming up with his material. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, Adam West is going to come out here.